Today, I will be unboxing the Wen Rotary Tool Kit, so stay tuned. Welcome back to my channel. So glad you were able to come back and join me. Today, we are going to be unboxing the Wen Rotary Tool Kit that is equipped with the flex shaft. I have been wanting this kit for quite some time, so this is an exciting one for me. I paid about $20 for this kit, which is a steal in my opinion. From first glance, the packaging is really nice, super visually attractive and very informative. One thing I hate the most about some tools and their packaging is how they don't give you much information about the product and what's included. This particular product exceeds all of my expectations in those areas. As you can see, the tool comes in a very hard plastic case that has two snap locks that are pretty strong, and it also comes with a handle, which is a plus. Okay, so what's included? They include an instruction manual that gives a good bit of information about the tool and how to get it set up and any long-term maintenance requirements to keep the tool in good shape. As you can see, each component has its own specific area within the case where it locks in place, which is really nice. I don't really like it when tools come in cases where they're all just thrown in a box. It gets super messy and things tend and can get broken and lost a lot easier that way. First up is the rotary tool. It's a 120 volt, 60 Hz, 1 amp motor that has a speed dial that ranges from 8,000 to 30,000 RPM. It comes equipped with two exchangeable cutlets, a 3.2 millimeter and a 2.3 millimeter in size. The power cord is between 6 to 7 feet long, and the tool itself weighs a little over 1 pound. Next up is the flex shaft, the accessory that so many people are so excited about. Many have talked about how it can get a bit awkward and heavy to use the rotary tool, especially when it comes to working on very detailed projects. Using the rotary tool is actually a lot easier on your hands when it comes to drilling, cutting, carving, and polishing different things such as jewelry and mini sculptures. It just makes it less likely for you to mess up on your more detailed projects. I like this one in particular because of how slim it is. It's about the size of a thicker marker, which is really nice and comfortable in the hand. Side note, you can see that I took off the black cutlet nut, exposing the gold cutlet. Please leave that on. There literally is no need for you to remove that when hooking up your flex shaft. So, moving on to the accessory kit. This kit comes with an 80-piece accessory set that will help you achieve some of your cutting, burr removal, polishing, shaping, and drill needs. I will list on the screen all of the pieces that are included in this set. As an FYI, I am posting this video at a later date after having a chance of using this tool a few times. One thing that I can say for sure is that you will need to buy an additional accessory kit that has a lot more accessories that will help you achieve a much larger variety of tasks. This kit that is included is just to get you started. After testing out most of the bits, they all seem to work really well, except for the drill bits. They are very weak, but I was really impressed with the cutoff wheels. All in all, I really like this rotary tool kit, and for the price, it's definitely well worth it. I really hope you enjoyed and found value in this unboxing video. I have more videos coming that will be featuring this toolkit, so stay tuned. Also, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.